What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Felix here. And today we got this sticker kit. Just about, I just got it today, but I just got home. I just started doing my homework, then I finished doing my homework. So now I'm gonna check the sticker kit out. I already checked it out, so I gotta see everything is right before I put the video, because if everything is wrong, then you gotta do the whole thing, and then you gotta send it back, and then But yeah, I got the sticker kit for the file ripper, and if you're gonna check it out, you guys can probably gonna like the name. It's different, it's unique, and I hope you guys like it. And yeah, please like the video, subscribe to you want to subscribe, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your grandmother, your grandpa, everybody, your friend, your bikes, that you could hit the bike, you could tell the bike to hit the like button for you. Like, just tap it, just like this. You tap it, boop. That's it. You subscribe. You can see other videos. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on the post notifications to when I upload every single video. And yeah, let's get right into the review. 2018 Burgundy Fire Ripper. And yeah, let's go. Make sure to subscribe. You know about ayeFelix YT. You know about the supply stuff right now. If you guys want to see a room tour, drop it down below. But yeah, we got the bike. We're here to put some lighting, into the bike. Ooh, yes sir. We got the bike right here. So this is how it looks without the stickers, anything. It's clean, but it's not clean. You can see it has salt because it was gnawing, Yeah, it's a little dirty. You can see like right there. I'm gonna clean it up. Yeah, the bike is clean because I clean it right when I go home after the snow. But yeah, too far. Don't believe what it is anymore. It's too late. Yo, no, the sticker kit, 10 out of 10. Reflex, you killed it. We got the landing goat, because I'm the goat, I'm the best. Like, I'm the best. For me, I'm the best. I don't know if for you I'm the best, but for me I'm the best. That landing goat is gonna go right here. I'm gonna take that one out because I'm not gonna do purple in my bike. Yeah, we got the racing, the SC Racing water supply sticker. I put it somewhere else in the bike, but not there, because I'm gonna put this one right here. But yeah, we got that one. We got the Reflex. We got the Reflex sticker right here, a free one. We got this one, another free one. We got my Instagram, but right now it's how you know Felix. Like I said last video, another Reflex sticker, and another one Reflex sticker, and then some light. This sticker is gonna go right here. It's gonna go right here. The main sticker of the bike. Hello, Reflex. I've been seen in Reflex. Go, it's right here in the screen. I'll put it in the screen too. Go follow them. And you want your stickers, make sure you go to their website. I'm gonna put the link in the description. So the Reflex stickers, I'm gonna put it down in the description. But yeah, so in order to do this procedure, you need a blow dryer. You need a blow dryer. You need rubbing alcohol and some cotton balls.
Hey yo, what the?
Let me stop playing. Let me stop playing. But you need this. You need this to clean the frame and everything. But it shows the instructions. Reflex, easy to apply, waterproof, durable, increased nighttime visibility, being seen a Reflex. Why do you put up, what is that? Is that a beast mode? It looks like a beast mode. Why you put a beast mode when I'm doing a fire ripper? You should put a fire ripper. Since I'm doing, picket ripper. You should put picket ripper here, okay? But yeah, it shows instructions right here. How to move it back. Okay, come on, man. Come on, Reflex. I don't need that. And here, I think they put express envelope. So that means, because I paid the extra to get it earlier, they put express envelope. Really cool. Stuff like that. It's stuff like that gets attention. I'm gonna put the GoPro on. Hold on, my hat. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna put the GoPro on, and let's go to a different point of view. Let's go. So, we got the blow driver The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this sticker out. I will take this one out first, but I want to take this one out first because it takes the longest time. So we gotta put the screwdriver. You will put it all the way hot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 actually. Turn it on. Okay. Put it to the sticker. And it should be coming off easily. Just like that. Just like that. I'm gonna fast forward this step because I don't want to make you guys wait like 30 minutes just for that. So yeah, let's fast forward with time lapse, whatever you call that. And yeah, let's go. Let's get to work. Alright, so we remove the stickers from the side, so you can see this little like pieces of glue from the sticker kit. So I heard that if you put rubbing alcohol, you should take it off. So I must try right now. Go like that. And yeah, it is taking it off, you can see. Hope it takes it off, cause yeah, it's like glue stuck to the thing still. Heat it up a little bit. Take it out. Alright, so once you remove the whole thing, make sure you clean it again. Make sure everything is clean. You know, you want your bike to be messed up, so you get another towel, dry towel. Make sure you clean that. Make sure everything is clean. Sir, everything is clean, set for the sticker. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, everything is clean right there. So I'm gonna go ahead, take this sticker, so it should be going up like this. So I gotta make sure everything stick to it. Okay. Letters should be stick to it now. Okay, so I should be able to, clean the dry surface. Whoa. Right here. Oh, whoa. Make sure that's straight. Perfect, right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo, 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 Reflex. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit there for a little bit. Oh my God, that looks fire. That looks fire. So now I gotta line this one up the same thing as this one. So it's gonna be a little hard, a little tricky. Should be this side. So now I gotta line that up perfectly. So I show you that I get a tape. Yeah, I might get a tape or something. So I could like line that up perfectly because I want this to be lined up 100%. So I'll be right back. Alright, so we got some tape. So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna place the sticker all the way to the top. So the thing goes all the way to here. So this, if I put it straight, it should be right. No, not. Should straight right there. Right there. It should be right there. So look at this off. Look at this off. So it should be right there. It should be right there. That makes sense. I might just try it. If not, I tried, guys. I tried. But yeah, let's see do the same thing that we did before. Let's see if I put this right here. It's the same size. No. Well, I have to put it there now. I have to. There's no going back now. I have a little space here. I do have a lot of space actually. Oh my God, it got stuck there. So, you know, it's probably telling me they was there anyways. Probably didn't put it wrong. Yeah, I put it a little wrong. Supposed to be a little space, but still doesn't matter. And clean the frame. Clean the frame, okay. That's it. Okay, this one I'll put it right there. Put it right there. Right in the middle. We're gonna put it right in the middle. Actually, I want to put it on top of this so it could cover that little scratch right there. So I'll put it right there. Put it right there. Perfect. Some light. So right there, and for this one I'm gonna get, what's the tape? I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the other side. But this time I'm trying to make it better. Not mess it up like I did with the other side. Stick it hard. There you go. This one, the same thing. Urban alcohol, the same thing, you know. Make sure you clean it 100%. Wipe it off. And some lights, so it should be like this. Letters is inside. Straight right there. should be good. My opinion is great. No, I think I put it a little higher. No, actually, it's really good. Yeah, actually, it's really oh yeah, so like after 30 minutes around there, 30 minutes to almost an hour, I didn't put all the stickers in the bike. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Just kidding. But first, let's take the stickers off. But yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy the sticker kit. Yes sir. Hope you guys enjoy the sticker kit. Let me know how it came out down below. Let me know if you guys like it. And yeah, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about this bike right here. You know the vibes. So you know the vibes. But yeah, it's been your boy ayeFelix.